Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Oracle Database 11G. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Please follow me step by step. Thank you. So here, you go to, if you don't have an account yet, follow this URL, oracle.com/index.html. Under here, view accounts, go for Oracle account, create an account. I have already created an account. So create an account and then sign in. Let me sign in. So here, go to google.com, type Oracle download. Once you are here, go for this Oracle database software. Click on Oracle database software. Let's go. And go down, scroll down. You can see Oracle Database 11G Release 2 Express Edition for Windows 64. Go click it. As you can see here, we have it for Windows 64 and for Windows 32 and for Linux 64. So I will be going for Windows 64. That is my operating system. Then click on it to start the download. You have to accept the Oracle license agreement. Accept. Then click on download Oracle. The download will start. So as you can see here, it started downloading. It will take a while. Let's just wait for it to finish the installation. But please, as the installation is still going on, I have a request. Please, I'm begging. Below your screen on the right hand side, you will see that red subscribe button. Please support this channel by clicking on that red subscribe button. Please, and like the video as well. Equally, beside that red subscribe button, you will see the notification bell. Because I will be uploading a lot of videos on SQL and anything related to SQL. Just click on that notification bell, enable it so that whenever I upload a new video on SQL or SQL related videos, you will be notified to come check it out. Please help me subscribe to the channel. That is the only thank you I need from you for this video. Subscribe to the channel to support me, to motivate me for more videos. Thank you and God bless. So as you can see, the download just finished. So let's go to open here and go for show in folder. Here we go. So what we're gonna do here is to extract it. Go for extract here. Just right click, then go for extract here. So after the right click and the extract here, click on the extract here, it will extract, and I can see it down here, disk. So yes, so once we are here, right click and go for run as administrator. Click on. Once we are here, right click the setup, go run as administrator. Click on run as administrator. yes. Preparing for installation. Preparing to install. So here it says welcome to install Shade Wizard for Oracle. Click on next. Then accept the terms. Then click on next. This instance failed. During this installation process, if you come across this problem, some of the mandatory pre-installed shakes have failed, installation cannot continue on this box. If you come across this problem, I will leave a link, a video link on what to do to resolve this problem. But if you did not come across this problem, continue with the video. Right click, the setup, then run as administrator. Click on that. We have to permit the installation as an administrator. Yes. Preparing to install. It will take a while. So here we go for next, then accept the terms in the license agreement. Go for next. As you can see, we are in. The installation will begin. So what really happened the first time we got this error, the previous error, was that maybe in my own case, I already installed Oracle Database 18c Express Edition. So in your own case, maybe you have installed a similar database. That was why you were experiencing that installation problem. So what you have to do is to make sure that you have deleted the previously installed Oracle database. Be it 18c, be it 12, it depends on the, I don't know, it depends on the one you have previously installed. So go ahead, follow the steps and uninstall that previously installed database and you will be fine. So as you can see in our own case, we are good to go now. So let's continue with the installation. Go ahead and click next. You can see I prefer to leave it with this default location. You can browse and change the location where you want to save the software. But for me, I will leave it as it is with this default location, then go for next. Here, please pay very, like, many people do complain after the installation that they have forgotten their password, or they don't know the password or the username. Here now, what you have to do is this passport. Here what you have to do is this password will be used for both the SYS and the system database accounts. So during the login, either you use SYS or system. So one of them. If this SYS doesn't work, then you can make use of system. But I believe SYS will work. So here, choose a password. Remember this password, please. You can use PASS, pass, as PASS as your password. Confirm the password, PASS. Please try and remember this password. It is very important. And equally, the username should be either SYS or system. But I believe SYS will work. In some cases, maybe system will work. So know that the password should be this one you added here, and the usernames should be either SYS or system. So click on next, then install. It will take a while. Let's wait. The Express edition on your computer. So click on finish. Click on finish. So let me go to where I saved it on my, I remember on my C drive, this computer, then C, then here Oracle SE, Oracle, so get started. Let me open it. Yeah, as you can see, we have an issue here. Windows cannot find. Make sure you are okay. To resolve this issue, right click on get started, go to properties, then here where the percentage starts and where the percentage ends, replace it with 80/80, apply, and okay. So here, let's open again. As you can see, we are successful. We are successful. Yeah, we are successful. So one thing you can do here, you can get a shortcut, create a shortcut, right click, create a shortcut so that you can have this on your desktop. Shortcut. Then let me go to my desktop and I have it, get started, as you can see here. That is the shortcut that I just created, get started. Then let's get back to the application. Here you can see Application Express. Click on Application Express. Then you remember your password. So we use SYS and my password was PASS. Then login. So here, create Application Express workspace. So go ahead and create. You can use editing. So username, I can use, let's use DATA, there for the application express username. Let me use this for this tutorial sake. You can choose yours. So there DATA, again there DATA, then create workspace. Successfully created workspace. To begin, click here. So let's click here. Then remember our password again there, DATA, login. Here we go. You can see the SQL workshop. Click on this SQL workshop. Then click on SQL commands. Then you can start typing. Select, let's query the database. Select sysdate from dual. That will give us the date, today's date, 21st of June 2021. Then let's go back to workshop. To create a table, go here. You can see create object. You can create a table, create a view, index, or just click on create table and start creating your table. So let's go back to workshop again. Object browser. You can see available already pre-populated tables. So here we have department and we have employee, I think. So this is the table, the data you can see within the table, and that is it. So that is pretty much all I want to show you in this tutorial. And please to support me in this, to support my channel, my YouTube channel, please, I need your help. Subscribe to the channel. Click on that red subscribe button below your screen on the right hand side. Please subscribe, like the video, and click on that notification bell so that whenever I upload any video on SQL, you will be notified to come check it out. Thank you and God bless.